A lot of people have wondered how you can actually package slat wall panels to make sure they don't get damaged. Here's what the process looks like. So first off, we will cut different, it's an OSB wood. We'll cut this OSB wood. You can watch us go right across it here. So once we have the wood panels cut, those are gonna go right on the side of this pallet. So the side portions of slat wall panels right here, they're super fragile. So you don't wanna have a chance of a forklift bumping into this when it's in transit. We also use these little like 2x4 kind of pieces of wood, and we'll put this on the corners here. That way the slat wall is like nice and snug together in the box and it can't slide around and hit any of the corners. Once that's on there, that's when we'll take that piece of wood that was just cut, and that piece of wood will go all the way down this side right here. It'll go on the other side, and then it'll also go on top, and then everything will be strapped down around that to make sure nothing can get damaged by a forklift, by a truck bouncing around, by someone loading it up in the bed of their truck. We keep it so it's 100% secure, nothing can touch it. And the wood that we're using, it's 3/4 of an inch thick, so not much is gonna go through it. You'll be good.